Hello and welcome to another class on prepositions. So we have another common error made by students today. It's sponsored from the German government. It's sponsored from German government. So many students have problems regarding the use of prepositions in a situation such as this. So let's analyze this. So why has from being used here? Well, from is often used, the preposition from, for the purposes of indicating origin. For example, I could say, I am from England. It's where I was born, it's where I grew up, it's my place of origin. I could say, this pen is from the shop. It's where I bought it. And so I could say then that it is the place of origin of the pen. Well, we could perhaps use similar reasoning here. We could say the German government is the origin of the sponsoring or the sponsorship, and therefore I can use the preposition from. Why not? Well, that would be false reasoning, and it would lead you to the wrong conclusion. Instead, we would be far better off employing a different preposition, and that would be the preposition by. Well, what does by do, or what can by do in some situations? By indicates the agent performing the action. By can serve the purpose of indicating the agent performing the action. Well, what do I mean by this? This sentence, the example sentence, is written in passive voice, or at least it should be. If it was an active voice, it would be something along the lines of the German government sponsors it. So it's in passive voice, and so we have the subject, the German government, and we have our verb, is sponsored, and then we have our object, it, which is receiving the action. We can say then that the government, or the German government, is our agent because it's performing the action, it's performing the action of sponsoring. In English, we can clearly do that, or we can clearly indicate that the agent is performing the action by means of the preposition by. We would say, it's sponsored by the German government. If we were to say it's sponsored from the German government, that could lead to false conclusions with your listener. They could maybe misinterpret your sentence, maybe thinking you're talking about Germany as a country, as the place of origin. In any case, it wouldn't be clear, and by is a far better preposition to use in this case. So I hope that was helpful in an introduction anyway regarding the difference between from and by. Thank you.